Anyway, so I'm making French toast because I got a new griddle here. I thought when we moved in, this is cast iron, this is cast iron. I thought this was cast iron, and then I was like, oh, that's so dirty. And so I started to clean it, and I'm like, nope, I just hit aluminum, and I kind of ruined it. It didn't stick very good. So this is my first time using this, and my brother up in Oregon says, hey, I want French toast. So I thought, hey, I'll make him some French toast. So 2 eggs scrambled in here. Then I don't measure anything because I've made it 1,000 times and I don't even know. So just bloop, a little bit of allspice, ground cinnamon, bloop, 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 bloop. That sounds good. Nutmeg, bloop, that's good. And then cloves, bloop, that's good. And then I whisk it all up. And then put in some milk. Mix that all up. I thought I heard on the Robertson's podcast, Phil Robertson and his boys, they're talking about, Christians that are new, they don't have a lot of history, they haven't gone through a lot of turmoil. Let me turn this thing on here. There we go. Get that warmed up. They were talking about just basically about a term called milquetoast Christians, or milk toast. I've heard it used in political terms as well, meaning that you can't digest much. You can't handle a lot of turmoil because you're pretty fragile. You're easily disrupted or easily thrown off track and easily, kind of flabbergasted. And I was like, milk toast, Christian, milk toast, politician, milk toast. It's just a term that I knew what it meant, but I'm like, well, what's milk toast? And then I was making this one day, and I'm like, it's probably French toast. It's just the southern term for French toast. And I don't know if I'm going to need this much butter because it's a new griddle, and it might not need as much to keep it from sticking as the old one that was all kind of messed up did. Because that's kind of a lot of butter, but you can see things better in this one too. Because it's all uniform. It doesn't have gouges and scrapes and missing non-stick components.
Someone was detected at your front door.
Someone was detected at my front door. Who was detected at my front door? I hear him sneaking away. They left a bomb at my front door. I bet you it's for my daughter. She orders something every day. Yep. Daughter. Close that. Security door. Bolt it. Lock it. Close that. Bolt that. Lock that. Put this on the table for the daughter. Alexa, play Bethel music.
Songs by Bethel Music on Amazon Music.
There we go. I zoomed in a little bit on the camera. Here it is. Zoom minus and a plus, minus and a plus. I zoomed in a little bit. That way you don't see the side of my goatee. I'm like, yeah, that's kind of... Oh, there we go. It's kind of squishy soft still, but the bottom looks like it's ready to be flipped. Almost. Look at that. No sticking. That's really nice. Oh my goodness, it's going to be good. Oh my goodness, no sticking at all. Oh, the bread's sticking to the bread, but it's not sticking to the stove. Nice. Oh man, this is gonna be yummy in my tummy. And this is the same as the old one. All the heat's back here. Up here, it doesn't seem to. Yeah, see the flame stops like right here. and the flame goes back to right here. So the flame is only from here to here. So you get less heat on the outer edges. Unlike Firefly, all the heat is on the outer rim, where the Alliance isn't patrolling. What? Firefly reference for all you space cowboy friends. Okay. Well, she's going to be yummy.